Welcome back to Solo Sail Away. This is Coby coming back at you with another vlog. Today we're diving into a showdown you solo cruisers and adult travelers need to hear. Virgin Voyages versus Norwegian Cruise Line. One offers solo cabins, the other promises no kids. But which one is really the best for traveling solo and in style? Let's talk about what really matters to us solo sailors. How each cruise line treats solo travelers. Norwegian Cruise Line was the first to offer solo studio cabins designed specifically for one person, no extra single supplement. On top of that, they have a studio lounge, a social space only for solo guests. Virgin Voyages also has solo insider cabins, and while they're sleek and modern, the real win is how Virgin intentionally creates social experiences, solo mixers, themed events, and a vibe that makes it easy to connect with others. So Norwegian gives you solo specific spaces, but Virgin gives you solo friendly energy. Like what you're hearing so far? Go ahead and smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Now here's a big one. Who are you cruising with? Each year, Norwegian is open to all ages. You'll see kids, families, and teens, especially during holidays and summer. They do a good job offering adult-only areas like Spice H2O, but you're still sharing the ship with families. Virgin Voyages is strictly 18 and up. No kids allowed ever. That means every restaurant, every show, every party is made for grown-ups. The experience feels more sophisticated and relaxed even when the party turns up. If avoiding screaming toddlers at the pool is a priority, Virgin takes this round hands down. Let's compare where you'll be sleeping, solo style. Norwegian's studio cabins are compact and functional, but don't expect windows. They're cozy though and great for budget-conscious solo travelers. Virgin's solo cabins? Clean, modern, techy, and most of them have mood lighting and that signature red hammock on the balcony if you upgrade. Norwegian is no frills but functional. Virgin feels boutique and bold. Which style speaks to you more? No frills or full vibe? Let me know in the comments below. I want to hear your thoughts. Dining alone doesn't have to mean dining in silence. Norwegian has a mix of included and specialty restaurants, and you'll likely dine at a table for one unless you ask to join others or eat at the buffet. Virgin Voyages encourages shared tables, social dining, and no buffets. Everything is made to order and included, from Korean BBQ to upscale vegan. Virgin makes solo dining feel less solo. It's part of the social fabric. If this part has you craving cruise food already, drop a like and let's keep it sailing. Here's where things really split. Norwegian has Broadway-style shows, comedians, live music, and family-friendly entertainment. Fun but mostly traditional. Virgin is edgy and artistic. Think immersive theater, Scarlet Night, drag performances, and wild nightclub vibes. It's bold, inclusive, and unlike anything else at sea. If you want a cruise that feels like a music festival crossed with a luxury hotel, Virgin's your pick. By the way, if you're loving this battle, don't miss my other head-to-head, Carnival versus Virgin, Party King Showdown. Hit that card up top or check the description to watch next. Here's the bottom line. Norwegian Cruise Line is great for solo travelers who want structure, solo spaces, and a more traditional cruise experience. Virgin Voyages is for the solo traveler who wants connection, creativity, and a no-kids grown-up vacation done differently. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you sail Virgin or Norwegian solo? Hit that bell so you don't miss what's next. This is Coby signing off. Until next time, smooth sailing my friends.